we are with our New Year's special. We are gonna take a stab at charcuterie boards.
I said it!
I've been practicing that thanks to our own Char. I say her name first and then I add it. We're gonna do 2 different types. What kind are you gonna do?
So I'm doing meat and cheese, crackers, and some little extras in there to spice it up.
Which is the traditional yummy kind that you see.
Yes.
I did the Jody spin on this and of course brought chocolate in. And I'm gonna do like a hot chocolate topping as well. And I think we're gonna be judged on this, which makes us both kind of nervous because we don't know what we're doing.
No, I've never done this before.
Neither have I, so we have no idea.
Yeah.
So we're gonna bring our producer, Michael, in.
Come on in.
And he's gonna like...
Did you feel kind of tall last time?
Big girl shoes. But he's gonna judge us. How are you gonna judge us?
Basically on presentation and creativity and amount of cheeses.
Oh, I like that.
So good
that's
luck.
Fair.
Yeah,
that's
I
fair.
think that's fair.
That's fair. Yeah.
No, just be creative and have fun with it. And
Okay.
to me, I think.
You're looking over there.
Well, this looks good too.
I know he has a sweet tooth, so.
That is true. So
Yeah,
we're gonna
okay.
kind of just do our thing. Try to one-up each other. Again, it's all about your perception of artistry, right? Food artistry.
We're just gonna go for it. And again, if you don't have a board, I think this is your special board.
Yes,
It's beautiful.
yes,
But I
is-
just borrowed one. Or you can use cutting board. Nothing.
My daughter-in-law Kira made this for me.
It's nice.
Thank you. It's
beautiful.
That's beautiful too.
Yes, I borrowed it. All right. I can't.
Oh, watch the chocolate here.
It's beautiful. I borrowed this from my sister who had it made. But again, if I did this at home, I'd just use my own cutting board. So, okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's do this.
You're going down. I have no idea.
See about that.
What are you starting with?
I don't know.
I was hoping you knew so I can.
I was gonna go with the apple, but I don't want it to brown, so we're gonna do that a little bit later. I'm gonna start chopping up my cheeses.
Ooh, look
And
at
I
all
have
your
a variety.
cheeses.
Yes, I have some cheddar and some Gouda. I have some hard cheese, some soft cheese, some cranberry cinnamon. We have aged apple. We have the cranberge.
Well, if you don't know, you should be deducted points right there.
Mike, what was it again?
Hey.
Cranberg.
Cranberg. I knew that.
Seems fixed. Yes.
Fixed, schmixed.
I have a variety of chocolates, chocolate bars. I have as my crown is popping off my head, I have an orange, like I mixed dark and milk chocolate. So I got almond chocolate, orange chocolate, milk chocolate, and then I have these chocolate mint sticks. So.
I happen to love chocolate. It's like right up there with cheese. So, looking forward to the taste test.
I even did a chocolate sauce, and so I mean, beat that.
Oh, look at these cheeses.
Oh, those are gorgeous, actually.
It's gonna be good.
Okay, so I think to make this more interesting,
Who invited me
and
back?
yeah, you're fired.
I've lost already.
Yeah, well, Jody already won because of that sass talk, and we're just gonna call her quits. No, so I think to make it.
Cut.
So I think to make it more interesting, we're gonna put a timer on this, and you both have a half hour to get this finished and make it as beautiful and nice as possible. So it is 12:54. So you have till 12:84.
I'm like,
Okay, I can work with those.
ready?
Best of luck.
Go. She's a real cheater. Watch her.
I'm
Watch
very competitive.
her.
I'm very competitive.
Yeah.
As are you. Quick girls in our office. I have no idea. I keep moving.
How come your chocolate's curdled?
Curdle.
There's like
What's your favorite chocolate?
Caramel. The chocolate caramel.
Oh, she's got whipped cream. Oh,
I'm sorry.
cocktails.
I'm sorry, look. I'm just, just don't mind me. I'm just.
Never mind, we're still focusing on my meat
Oh
flour.
no, this is for Michael.
That's awesome.
Enjoy.
Well,
Thank
Enjoy.
Mm.
Oh.
And you look fantastic, by the way. Have you
Okay.
lost weight?
No. And I got iron plum.
So I have dipped strawberries. Super easy. This is ganache. Sounds fancy, but it's not. It just means chocolate and whipped cream.
Can I ask you a question?
So making this, I just did it beforehand. To get it so you can dip fruit in it, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So I'm just gonna do a quick dip. They're very simple. Super, but they look fancy.
Very simple. Did you get that?
Just a little, hold the stem, little dip, let it drip. Let it drip. Very good. And just set it here.
Okay, 10 minutes.
No, it is not. Don't say that.
Yeah.
Artistically, without just throwing things together.
Well, little.
Yeah, you can't think of nothing right now. Jodene.
All right, a little chocolate shavings.
Looks delicious. You washed your hands, right?
How would I do that?
Okay, 10 seconds.
Okay.
9, 8,
Scaring me.
7,
Slow down.
6, 5,
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Yay!
You slipped.
Okay, enjoy your hot chocolate.
Thank you. I will. Cheers.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Oh, you got it now.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
I like it
I
there.
have it all in my
I
nose.
want it there.
Where I meant to put it. Whatever.
Yeah, I didn't get any hot chocolate.
Oh, that's really good.
It is good.
Mmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Mine's super simple. Like you can use any box of chocolates. I had Purdy's in my office, so that's what we use. Some bark, like I said, different kinds of chocolate, like dark.
Really nice.
Yeah, dark, milk, some just bark. I got this all in Kamloops just at the grocery store.
Did you say
chocolate? Bark.
Bark.
I don't know why I said that so much.
Strawberries.
Yeah, chocolate covered strawberries. I made pralines the other day.
You made those?
Yeah. Just anything you've made, like any cookies, anything, and then just fill it with fruit or M&Ms or Kisses or whatever.
Is that chocolate covered almonds?
Yes, it is. And then just a dip. You can have whipped cream. You can have, like I said, the chocolate ganache. Super simple, but it looks fancy, right? I dipped some candy canes. Yeah. What about yours? That looks really good.
Yeah, so basically just arranged a variety of different cheeses and cured meats, a little bit of color, so we put some fruit in there, and a little bowl of pickles. Everybody likes pickles with their cheese and crackers. And yeah, just the different kinds of cheese and a couple pieces of bread if you're a little bit hungrier. And there you go. Yeah, just kind of arrange it like that, and looks beautiful.
It does. When you go to somebody's house and they have this on the table, you're like,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we did this under pressure.
We did. We had no idea what we were doing.
Nope.
So,
Nope.
I mean, you can do your own spin on it. It's just an idea to kind of look fancy without really being fancy.
I don't know, I think it's pretty fancy. I think we pulled it off. Yeah, for sure. All right, go ahead.
So I have to judge them now. Let's see here. Interesting. That was an interesting choice there. Also interesting.
Oh, wow, look at your muscles.
You know, actually, I really like both of them. Because this is like
Good
a
answer.
traditional kind of one, but this one's like... I like it because it's...
Not very healthy.
Well, no,
New
there's
Year's.
oranges.
It's New Year's.
It's super healthy. There's oranges.
Dipped in chocolate.
Oh, that's really good.
Oh, wait, here, what kind of cheese do you like?
It's cool to have both though, like a certain
Yeah.
And
variety.
that's a smoked
Yeah.
Gouda. You can really taste the smoke.
It's pretty good.
If I went to a place that had both of these, I'd be really happy.
I agree.
All right,
So
winner.
you both win.
Thank you.
Just
No,
like all the
actually, you
comments.
win.
Yeah, I'm
You
the
get to
winner.
eat it
Yeah,
all.
yeah. Okay,
So-
you can leave now.
We're gonna have tummy aches and
Need a
we're
napkin.
going down. So if you try any of these during the
Yeah.
holidays, send us a picture and you'll enter to win a prize. We're happy
Sure, we'd
to-
like to see your ideas, your take on
Yeah.
different charcuterie boards.
Say charcuterie and you'll win a prize because it took me a month to practice it. So
But look at you now.
I know. Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us again for our versions of the charcuterie boards.
All right.
And have a happy new year. And we're probably going to have some more for you.
See you.
Bye.